Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan video. So this week I'm doing things a little bit differently. Sometimes I get questions about why I don't use the Walmart grocery pickup when I do my Walmart grocery hauls, and that is because the Walmart in my town does not have it. But HyVee, if you're familiar, is a Midwest grocery store chain, and they do have actually in-store pickup and delivery and online ordering. So I just got back from traveling this weekend for work and I was super sick. I think I had the flu. I didn't actually go to the doctor and get tested, but I was very achy, had a fever, etc. And I just knew my limitations. I did not want to go out and go grocery shopping. And so I actually ordered all my groceries online on HyVee.com and went and just drove up and they brought them out to my car. So this is the first time I've ever done this. I spent, I'll show you my total here, was $100.84, which is actually cheaper. I believe it was originally about $111, but since I had some substitutions, they refunded me for those. So let me show you everything that I got. There are a few things that I used last night for dinner that are not pictured here, and it's just because I was still sick last night and I did not feel like filming this haul, but I thought I would get everything back out and film it this morning so that you guys could see what I got and then see the meal plan for it this week. Alright, so for produce, I didn't have to get a whole lot. We actually still had some left over from last week. So I just got a 5-pound bag of russet potatoes, which I've already emptied into the bin that I use to store these in the pantry. These are going to be for some beef stew and also some baked potatoes for supper tonight. I got 1 English cucumber just for salads and snacks. And then tomorrow at work we are having a healthy potluck, and so I'm going to be bringing mango salsa. So for that I needed 1 red pepper. I got 4 mangoes. I'll probably just use 3 of those for the salsa, a red onion, and some cilantro. This was not a cilantro bunch that I would have picked out. I feel like it's pretty small, but you know, whatever. At least I got it. I got some flour tortillas just to have on hand. Sometimes the kids like to have quesadillas for snacks or lunches on the weekends. I got 1 bag of romaine just to make it easier for me this week. We're going to have spaghetti, or not spaghetti, but pasta and meatballs and sauce one night, and so I just wanted to get this for a quick side salad for dinner. I got 1 block of the HyVee just regular sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to be making some broccoli and cauliflower cheese soup for dinner, and so when I do that I like to shred my own sharp cheddar cheese. I also got a bag of the Sargento sharp cheddar cheese sticks. This actually had a coupon, and that was one of the things that I liked about doing it online, was that the coupons were right there available and all you had to do was click and apply your coupon. And it was also easier to just like compare prices, I thought. But anyway, that's just a little benefit there, I guess, to shopping online. So I got a package of those. I got some Oasis hummus. This is actually from a restaurant in Iowa City, and so you can really only get it around here, but it is really good hummus. It's pretty pricey. This is like $4.99, but it's the best hummus that you can buy in my opinion. I was running low on regular butter, so I got just a pound of salted butter, and then I actually had 4 of these, but the kids ate 2 for breakfast this morning. So these are the Light and Fit Greek Crunch. I got 1 peanut butter delight. It comes with the toppings on the top, and then 1 key lime pie, and then there was an Oreo one and a s'mores one, like I said, that the kids ate this morning and they seemed to like them. I got some half and half for the broccoli and cauliflower soup as well as for coffee. And then last night I also made pizza. We were watching football, and so I ended up making a pizza. I used some of this. And we did a Fortnite dance challenge, you're right.
Mommy, after I finish this bag, can I play Fortnite?
Yes.
Thank you.
So I had got this jar of pizza sauce for the pizza, and then I also had some mozzarella sticks to dip in here, and the things that you won't see are the pizza crust, which I used last night, the mozzarella cheese, which I used last night, the mozzarella sticks, which we used last night, and then I also got a package of Little Smokies, which I made and obviously isn't here. So I got 2 containers of regular sour cream, and then we don't use margarine a lot. We actually really use butter more often, but just for toast and English muffins. We use, like, I can't believe it's not butter or whatever, margarine. So I just got one container of that since we were out. For our baked potatoes, I got a package of bacon bits, and then I believe this was a substitution in my favor, so I asked for 1 carton of like 16 ounces of buttermilk, but they gave me this super large one instead. I want to make some homemade ranch, but this doesn't expire until January 30th, so what I'll probably do is next weekend I'll batch prep like a bunch of pancakes and freeze those, because I have a really good recipe for buttermilk pancakes, and if I can find that online, I'll link it down below. I got 1 jug of grapefruit juice. For some reason I've been craving this lately. I don't know if it's just because I haven't been feeling good and I need the vitamin C or what, but you can see that I drank some of that already for breakfast this morning. I got a half gallon of 2% milk. We just use this for cereal and cooking. We don't really drink milk very much. I just got 1 can of this spicy chicken quesadilla chunky soup. I thought this would be good to take to work during the week, maybe with some tortilla chips as a quick lunch. I grabbed some original English muffins. Adam likes to make breakfast sandwiches in the mornings during the week, and so those are for him. I also got some onion soup mix. This is for a beef stew recipe that we're going to have this week. And then the kids have been enjoying when I buy these little packages of cereal that has like the different kinds in there. So this one has like Lucky Charms, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Trix, Honey Nut Cheerios. It's so much easier, and they stay so much fresher than buying a bunch of different boxes of cereal, and that way they can kind of switch it up to what they want. For our pasta and meatballs this week, I got a loaf of garlic bread and a package of just the frozen Italian style meatballs. My kids actually like these a lot better than homemade meatballs, and so I usually get those when I'm making spaghetti and meatballs just because I know that they'll eat them. And then I got 1 package of the Tostitos scoops for my mango salsa, 1 bag of these Simply White Cheetos Puffs. These are super good. I don't know if you've ever had them before, but they are delicious. And then for drinks, I'm not going to show you everything because some of it is in the fridge, but I got a 8-pack of the G2 Gatorade, the raspberry lemonade. This is my favorite flavor of that. I got a 12-pack of cherry Diet Dr. Pepper, and then, yeah. And then I also tried to get 12 packs of the Diet Cherry 7-Up and the Diet Squirt, but they did not have those, and so they substituted it with 2 each of the 2 liters, and then they reimbursed me. And then I also got a package of the zero sugar Kool-Aid jammers. So yeah, that is what I got with my grocery pickup this week. Like I said, I don't normally do this, but I kind of enjoyed it, and since I was sick, I really didn't have any other options. So now let me show you the meal plan. Okay, so last night, like I said, I made pepperoni pizza and a salad and little smokies, and then we also had those mozzarella sticks while we watched the Chiefs game, and sadly they lost. I'm so sad they're not going to be going to the Super Bowl, but you know, there's always next year, I guess. Tonight I'm going to make a broccoli and cauliflower cheese soup and make baked potatoes. Tuesday I'm going to make this Park City stew, which this is actually a beef stew recipe, and I've shared it on my channel before, but I'll link it down below. It is a great crock pot dinner, and it cooks during the day while you're at work, so it's great. And then I have some biscuits in the freezer I can make up, and then we'll have some fruit on the side. Okay, on Wednesday I have pasta with meatballs, so I'll just heat those frozen meatballs up in some pasta sauce that I have in the pantry, and then on the side we'll have a salad and garlic bread. Thursday I just have down to make leftovers or sandwiches. Adam's going to be going out with friends that night, and so I don't know if we'll end up eating at home or if I'll take the kids out to eat or what we'll do, so I didn't really plan anything for that night. And then Friday and Saturday we're going to be out of town for a swim meet. So that is it for this week's grocery haul and meal plan. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.